Pros, Unit 7, Cyber Safety, Standard 8. Children, how are you all? Hope you're all fine. How are your online classes going on? Are you enjoying them? I know, certainly you will be enjoying. Definitely, you have enjoyed your long holidays during this COVID. And I also understand you have another reason to be happy during this pandemic. Yes, of course, your mobile phones. Your parents would have bought it for you. They would have spent their hard earned money on your mobile, expecting you to study well. Hope all of you are keeping up to their expectations. Children, you also use mobile phones to play games, chat with your friends, make call, browse internet, listen music, etc. But you should also understand that there are many dangers hidden behind their usage. You should first learn how to use internet safely. This safety on internet is called cyber safety. In this lesson, they have depicted through comics how to use internet safely. This happens in a family of four, a father, mother and two children named Gladyn and Rani. Now let me start the lesson for you. One day, Gladyn asks his mother, "Mom, do you know how a screw gauge works?" "No, son. Let us browse about it in the internet." "Oh, can we find it in the internet?" The comic strip opens with Gladyn asking his mother whether she knows how a screw gauge works. Children, screw gauge is a measuring tool. The mother immediately tells her son to search it in the internet. Her son Gladyn is surprised and asks his mother whether really it can be found there. So, do you think it will be found there, children? Yes. Now the mother says, "Yes, son, internet is a great tool where you can gather information to gain knowledge." Immediately he says, "Here it is, mom." "Thank you, mom," he tells. Okay. Now the mother replies that of course it can be found. She explains that internet is a great tool where everyone can gather information to gain knowledge. So Gladyn immediately browsed it and found the answer. So he is very happy. Now the father asks, "Where are the kids, Gladyn and Rani?" "Gladyn is gathering information in internet for a science project." "Ah, Rani seems to be frightened of something." "Oh, what happened all of a sudden? Is anybody threatening her online?" Now father inquires to Gladyn's mother about the children. Mother replies that Gladyn was gathering information on the internet for a science project, and she tells that she felt Rani looked frightened of something. Immediately the father says, "Why? What happened all of a sudden? Is anybody threatening her online?" "Threatening online?" the mother asks. "Are you suspecting any online predator?" "Oh, goodness. Let me call her. Rani, come here, dear." "My dear, what happened? You seem dull." "No, Dad, I'm okay." Children, online predators mean someone who sexually exploits a child on the internet. So immediately father calls loudly and asks Rani to come. He inquired what happened to Rani. Rani with a sad face replies that she was okay. "Don't worry, I'm here to help you. Tell me now, how can I help you?" "I'm really scared." "Oh no, what if he comes home?" "Who? Any of your online friends?" "Yes, he chats every day. He knows my name, address, age, everything. Nowadays, he uses bad words. He also told me that if I discuss about the chat to anyone else, he will cause harm to my family members." Don't respond to his message, even if he continuously disturbs you. After some days, he may not chat. Still, if he bothers you, I will take care of him by talking to his parents, or I will report to the cyber police. Don't worry, my dear. "Thank you very much, Dad." So father inquires to Rani what happened. And Rani with a sad face replies that she was okay. Her father asks her not to worry and assures her that he will help her and in any situation. So Rani immediately replies that she is really scared. Scared means afraid. She asks what will happen if he comes home. Immediately father understood and asks her who it was, whether it was any of her online friends. Yes, she tells. He chats every day and he knows her name, address, age, and everything. She starts crying and tells that nowadays he also uses bad words and warned her not to discuss about the chat with anyone else because if she shares, surely it will cause harm to her family members. Immediately, her father tells her not to respond to any messages, even if he continually disturbs her. After some days, he may not chat, and still, if he bothers her, father says we can talk to his parents or to the cyber police. Rani feels relieved and thanks her father. Dear, please advise your children how to use internet wisely. Mother says. Fine. Call Gladden. Children, online facilities are for sharing among known members. Never chat with anybody unless you know them, like classmates, friends, family members, etc. Her mother immediately asks her dad to advise the children how to use the internet safely and wisely. He also calls Gladden to accompany them. Now, their father advises them on the proper usage of internet. He says that online chat should be done only with known members. We should never share personal details with anyone, like photo, phone number, Aadhaar number, our interests, etc. Strangers may misuse all the information without our knowledge. There are many usage of internet, like it is very useful to connect with people and the world. It allows us to watch movies, listen to music, play games, enjoy other activities. Since it is a powerhouse of entertainment, there are many chances of us getting addiction to this. So what happens when we get addicted? Mother asks. He replies that mobile addiction causes several serious problems like headache, weakened eyesight, sleep disorders, depression, stress, social isolation, aggressive behavior, financial problems, ruined relationship, sometimes no growth in profession. All this happens because of addiction. So we should be very careful. Even though we can't ignore the benefits of internet and mobile phones in our life, educationally and socially. Now, especially during this pandemic, it has become a necessity. So we must limit our usage to take change of our lives. The children agreed to use the internet safely thereafter. The mother advises, too much of anything is good for nothing. Children, what does this mean? Of course, just because we solely spend our time on the internet, it doesn't mean it is useful alone. When anything goes beyond limit, it is very difficult. So we should be very careful. We should follow the rules. We should not speak to strangers. We should not let out our secrets or our passwords to anybody because they may misuse you and they may blackmail you. So children, be careful when you use internet, when you play games especially. Don't get addicted to the mobile. So online security is very, very important. So that this is what the lesson wants to make you understand. It teaches us that we should be very careful, and we should, if we are getting bullied online, then do not share your details with anybody. Be smart, act smart. So children, don't click on unwanted mails or emails. It may contain viruses and some nasty messages. So be careful while using it. Click clever, click safe. So children, enjoy the internet, play games, browse and improve your knowledge. Stay connected with all your friends, but cautiously and carefully. Enjoy it, stay safe and stay happy. Thank you. From the